Mary's turn. 1.
No, Mommy. Whose turn is it now?
Mommy.
Don't count?
No, why not? It's your sister.
No.
6. Woo! Good job.
Okay, whose turn is it now, Dora?
We're going to do this. Let's get this a little bit.
My dad.
Your turn again?
Yeah.
After Mary's turn, okay?
My dad. I just need help for a little bit. One of that. Get used to it. No need help. No need help.
No need help.
Yeah, Mommy.
All those days at the